In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can send Ethereum from your Trust wallet into your Binance account. So here I log into my Trust wallet and you can see Ethereum here. So I just need to select it and then paste my Binance Ethereum wallet here. And now I enter the amount here. So they are saying my balance is not enough. So let me enter it once again. Good. So now I move to next. Here, I just need to enter my password. I'm good to go. So you can see everything here. They are taking their network fees and the rest. So if you transfer this, you should know this. So yeah, it's done. So here you can see the payment has been processing. So on my Binance, I'm going to see it on my Binance and it's going to take some time for it to process. Once the processing is done, that's it. I'm going to see it there on my Binance account. So let's wait for the deduction to be done on this Trust wallet too as well. So let's wait a bit. So here, if you want to use a local money transfer, you can, get someone on Binance and then you transfer it. So you can see the money has been deducted automatically. So that's it on how you can transfer your Ethereum to your Binance or any cryptocurrency from your Trust wallet to your Binance. That's it for the video.